ask. So I know you do all these flips and burst strategy, and many real estate investors would tell me, hey, like I'm hitting a wall in terms of qualifying for financing. I have the goal to grow my portfolio to like 10, 20 properties. But at the time when I get to my 5th property, I would not be able to get my financing anymore. So as a professional mortgage broker, what do you say to them?
I see, like, you just gotta align yourself with the right mortgage professional. You know, like for me, if you are sitting across the table from a real estate investor and someone who genuinely want to grow their portfolio, and like what you're telling them is like, you're done, like you're not trying hard enough, right? Like yes, most lenders and banks max out at 4 or 5 properties. But we work with lenders and banks that allow unlimited number of properties. Okay, so is it a little bit more work? Absolutely, right? But to me, like, I love working with investors, right? So because if you want 10 properties in 5 years, like we don't plan just for the next one, right, Jerry? We plan for the 10th one, work backwards, and that's your blueprint now. That's your game plan, right? So
you did plan for my next few purchases,
right?
Just so we're clear. Okay, that's good. So one of the most hot topic that people ask me, or not necessarily ask me, but one of the hottest topic out there is the interest rate. What's the current interest rate for offered by the bank that you work with right now?
Yeah, you know that's a loaded question, right, Sherry? So it's like walking into a car dealership and asking what the best car is.
Yes.
Right? Do you want a van? Do you want a coupe? Do you want a convertible? Do you want a Maserati?
I still want to know.
So how I answer that question is very simple. What's your goal? What do you want to do? Right? What do you want to do? That's also a loaded question, right? So for me, if you go online and search best interest rate, you're going to find best interest rates, right? 99% of people who look at those interest rates will not qualify for those interest rates, right?
Okay.
But it is the standard, amazingly popular and effective bait and switch philosophy, right? We don't really appreciate that, so we kind of work backwards in a sense where it's like, okay, what do you want to do? You want to cash flow $10,000 a month? Okay, we get you there. But it cannot be rate focused. It cannot be, you know what I mean, like, I don't want to do any work and get there, right? So to me, rates anywhere from 0 to 10%. So that's my answer to you.
Well, just for the record, I don't know if Kevin would be able to get you the same rate. We just closed on a property with Kevin's team's help, and can I share how much interest rate I'm paying?
You know what? It's your finance chair. You can say whatever you like. Yeah.